Life's a game where side quests and secret loot can make all the difference. First, gaining XP through small wins. Think of everyday achievements as your real-life XP. Just like in RPGs where every hidden passage discovered, every potion found, and every new skill learned builds up into a bigger victory, small wins amount to tangible progress in life. 2, boosting morale one win at a time. Embrace your completed run, that productive workday or that resolved argument. Each small win enhances your positive outlook and helps to build more self-esteem and nudges you out of that cycle of monotony, transforming dull routines into a rewarding adventure. 3, the compound effect on life's journey. Life isn't about continuously conquering colossal bosses. It's about learning to treasure the minor victories. The thing is, creating this habit raises motivation and provides us with the power-ups and the motivation needed for life's tougher quests. Tony Robbins said, "The secret of success is learning how to use pain and pleasure instead of having pain and pleasure use you. If you do that, you're in control of your life. If you don't, life controls you." Continuously pursuing your main goals, whether you want to do all those tedious parts or not, sets you up for victory. And every victory counts, no matter how small it is. So embrace them and watch your own life's game become this epic journey filled with growth, satisfaction, and accomplishment. If you like this, share it with somebody else. Good luck, have fun. Peace.